We're there. We're at that time of year again when we're in full focus prep mode for Q4. It's just around the corner. Now, with ShineOn having put so many new products into their catalog, you could be forgiven for going, what am I going to sell? So in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the ones or the products that I think have the most opportunity for you to scale this Q4 and make a heck of a lot of money. So let's get into it. Okay, so first up, we've got the graphic journal. So this particular product is a very good product to focus on for an Etsy store. So obviously you're going to need CD commerce and run it through your Shopify store that way, but this product is very cool. And I'm going to show you an opportunity and a way of positioning it to increase your chances of success with it. So if you come over to eRank straight away, you can see the search that I've put in here, and that was for journal. So there's a couple of opportunities that stand out. You got the pregnancy journal here. That is the one that I really think has a lot of opportunity. You've got the Bible study journal, tarot journal. I'm not sure what you'd do for that. And there's another one up here, the manifestation journal. So focusing on the pregnancy journal, I really like that one because of the added emotional buy-in and the different phrases and personalizations you can put on the particular product to really make it stand out and snag those sales. So what I would do with that is use ChatGPT. So I've gone over there and gone, I want 100 journal prompts for an expecting mum. And what I would do with that is I would then take it over into Canva and then create a nice little PDF, like a digital product with all the different journal prompts in there. And there's some good templates in Canva where you could load up and straight up give the different prompts on the different day of the week and add that as a free, product that typically sells for $4.99, as an add-on for that product. It's just something a little bit extra to tip the scale in your favor. But this isn't what's going to sell that product. What will sell it is that phrase, that emotional buy-in that you actually put on that product. And when you're over there, when you're creating these products, you want to make sure that when you're creating them, the words that sell it are easily read. That is the most important thing with any print-on-demand product. Not the design embellishment, not the pretty colors. It is the words. How do we get our audience to read them and take the action we want? So that's a very, very important thing that you need to keep in mind when you are creating these products. So the first one is that pregnancy journal prompt. The next one is if you're on Shopify and you're running paid traffic, I still think jewelry has huge opportunity. And again, what I encourage people to do with this is really lean into their own relationships and the nuances they have with their partners. So I've sold millions of dollars worth of jewelry, and the way I was able to do that was by doing that very thing, thinking about that relationship dynamic. Now, you may have seen one of the products that I have become quite well known for, had a bit of innuendo in there, and that was because I really knew that that niche was probably like me and the relationship that I have with my partner. So husband and wife, I like to tease my wife, play around with her, and I figured these hunters would be the same. So I wanted to bring in that innuendo into there. And you've got to remember what you're doing with a print-on-demand jewelry product is creating a moment. That is a very important thing. And you may have heard in real estate videos, and that's where I kind of put the two together, was like, this is the moment. I was like, that's a very interesting thing. But that's exactly what you're creating with your jewelry. You're creating a moment. And there's several moments that you are creating when you do create a good quality product. The moment when the gifter, the person who is buying that product, actually sees it in their feed. They see it and they feel that emotion. They're like, that is exactly how I feel for my partner. The next moment is the moment that they've got for the anticipation of the giving of that gift. So when they buy that, the difference between just giving a piece of jewelry and giving a piece of jewelry with a gift card that's actually in the product is next level. Like, that has taken two products that have sold extremely well, put them together and supercharge that potential. So when somebody does receive this necklace or the jewelry, they're going to remember that moment. They will, the person receiving, so in this case, the wife, as was the case for that hunting piece, they will remember that feeling they had when they got it. When they opened, and I'm not sure if I've got it here. You've probably seen it before. It's not that one. It's not that one. This one. So this is the piece that I sold, and sold quite a lot of. It was over $300,000 in a few days just on that piece alone. There's a few others that were selling at the same time. But because of the innuendo on that, and if you can't remember what it was or haven't seen it, what it said was, "To my smoking hot, I've chased a lot of tail and spotted some fine racks in my time, but yours are the best by far. I love you." So it allowed the guy to express that he actually loved his partner. He loves hunting, obviously. But when she received that, she would have had a scoff. She would have had a laugh. And, that was that moment. And that's what allowed it to do so well. So, again, just to recap on that, what I want you to do is really focus on that, the dynamics that you have in your own relationships, even with your children. If that's the product that you're wanting to create and that niche angle that you're going after, then you want to think on the dynamics, the little nuances you have in your own relationships that you can bring into your own products. It's not just enough to go and copy phrases off other things that have sold really well. That's part of it. But when you can bring that into a product and express in a unique way that brings in that nuance from your own relationships, that's where the gold is found. The product, that phrase is everything. So the more time you spend on actually creating these phrases, the better it's going to be. Next up, the apparel has just come into the ShineOn catalog as well. So if we go into the catalog, we go apparel, we've got the shirts. And these Bella canvases aren't a bad price. Do you want to learn the process to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business? Then I'd love to introduce you to the Podax Accelerator, my coaching program for print-on-demand, to start, grow, and scale your print-on-demand business in as little time as possible. And right now is a fantastic time to join because I've just released one of the best offers I've ever created. If that sounds awesome to you, make sure you click the link in the description below. Good on ya. Very competitive. And the fact that they've only got two colors, which is the black and white, I don't think that's a problem at all. You really want to reduce the amount of brain damage you're giving the customer when they come to your product pages. You want them to go, that phrase, that design is amazing. You don't want them thinking about all the different colors they could potentially get. You just want them to add that to cart and buy it as quickly as possible. So the lack of colors is not a problem. It really isn't. And the thing is, with ShineOn, you've actually they will put the different design in your descriptions. It makes it really effective on your product page. I'd be looking to sell these for anywhere from $26.99 to $30, so $29.99, and looking to really bump up that average order value. So it's important that you focus on these upsells. So it could be, buy two and get free shipping, or buy two for $50. But you really want to be focused on getting that extra dollars, or the extra profitability in that business. So they are a few products that I just wanted to share with you. They are each have huge opportunity. People are forever buying clothes, and the fact that, Christmas is coming up, it's a great gift as well. It's a cheaper gift than, the jewelry or whatnot, but that doesn't mean it's going to sell better. I mean, the same time and effort goes into creating good quality phrases for jewelry as it does into creating good quality designs for shirts. So it really does come down to the focus of what you want to put your energy into this Q4. So what I would encourage you to do, if you are on Shopify and you're running paid marketing, stay with one product. When I sold millions of dollars worth of apparel, it's because I was focused on black shirts. When I sold millions of dollars worth of jewelry, it's because I was focused on that jewelry. Don't chop and change. On Etsy, it's a little bit different, particularly when you are first starting. You can throw out a few different products with different designs and whatnot to find out what it is that you do connect with. It's a great way for building that confidence and profitability. So I hope that's helped. Get in there, get crushing, and I hope you absolutely crush this Q4. Good on you.